You are watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button down below and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Maria Molade Jokpemi. I'm a student of Rock Lab. And I can tell you, I am happy to win this award today. Like, seriously. I'm so happy. In fact, I can say I am the last person that I would think I will receive this award. I'm grateful. As in, me tí mo lè sọ, inú mi kàn dùn ní anyhow. Thank you. Yes, I could remember vividly that day. I have issues with my family, so I had to, like, I'm joining this group today, and they were like, I can't. I was like, why? I can choose my life. You can't choose for me. And they were like, okay, I choose for me. I can find my way. I was like, okay. But they find way me. And now see where I am today. And the last thing, I will appreciate my boss. He keeps saying, hey, your money, and thank God, anybody observe. But alhamdulillah today, I'm so happy. Thank you.